Please start.
Yes. A very good morning and warm welcome to each and everyone present here. Respected Principal Sir, HOD Sir, all the staff member, and my dear fellow inductees. I, Harshal Barange,
And I am Mudassir Sheikh.
heartily welcome you to JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, Wagholi. Finally, this beautiful day has arrived, and I am sure all of the inductees have been waiting for this day eagerly. And the fact that not all of us love coming to college is not surprising. Making up new friends, exploring new activities are some reasons we can't afford to miss college. It is indeed a great pleasure seeing you all present here for this induction program. After what we feel like a light year. Without taking much of your time, I want to mention a lesson that personally I have learned here at JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, which inspired me to do and achieve more despite failing 100 times. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Thus, let us start your new year at college with hope and dream that no matter how limited you might be, you will do your best to achieve what we all call dreams. Also, it's something magical about success. If I ask you to name first man who walked on moon, I am pretty hopeful that I will get a bunch of answers. However, if I ask you who was second or third person, I barely hope that I will get any answer because traditionally we don't value the second or third position as much as we should. After all, it's not only first person who deserves fame, name and noble status, whether you believe it or not. Everyone does because we all work hard and give our best. However, at the end of day, what matters most is where do you stand relative to your yesterday, not your school fellow who probably performed better than you. Additionally, those who invested their best but they were not able to manage a victory, keep working hard because hard work pays off. After all, patience and perseverance are a couple of secrets to success. With that being said, I would like to thank you all for your patience and time. And once again, I welcome you all to JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research.
A very warm welcome once again to one and all. Now I would like to call upon our respected principal Dr. R.S. Deshpande sir, head of the department, Professor N.S. Biradar sir, and all the committee members, and kindly request them to light the lamp. Thank you all. Now we here at JSPM Imperial College of Engineering and Research have the tradition to always start a program by saluting and respecting our teachers and dignitaries. So here, as a sign of respect, we present before you a song sung by our senior Praveen Derde.
गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुरुगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरु पाखंड खंड काया गीत साराय गीत तत्वाय गीत गोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणचरित्राय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you so much, Praveen. That was really beautiful. Now, I would like to call upon our HOD sir to speak a few words to our inductees.
Hello,
Yes, sir, it is audible.
is audible.
Yes.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Respected principal sir, and all the professors and faculty coordinator of second year, Professor Sidhu Patil sir and Professor Pankaj Dhandar sir, and all my dear students. First of all, I would like to welcome the newly joined students on the behalf of our Imperial College of Engineering and Research, and as well as on the behalf of our Mechanical Engineering Department. And at the same time, I would like to congratulate all of you for making the right decisions of your future. The first is you are getting admitted in a right college, and also you keeping the faith in mechanical engineering. Friends, already you are completed your diploma course. You know about what is mechanical and what is its significant. You must have heard the statements such as mechanical engineering is evergreen branch, Royal Mechanical, etc. But by looking the current trend, you must be little worried whether all these statements are true. Is mechanical still a better branch? All these questions may be arising in your mind. But friends, I would like to say that yes, mechanical is still a promising branch and you have made a right decision. If you remember the today's what is the reason today's scenario, one of the uh, the most promising reason for this is the COVID-19 pandemic. All of you know from last 1 year we are suffering to this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. You remember work from home culture was started due to COVID-19 pandemic. During this period, the mechanical and automobile industries were among the most affected as they cannot work from home. But friends, currently the things are going to change. The situation of COVID is under control and we all are slowly returning to our regular and routine life. And also, our mechanical and automobile industries are also going to start slowly. So, your role as a mechanical engineer will be huge in rebuilding a post COVID world. Friends, for mechanical engineers, we have a plenty of opportunities are available in various sectors like automobile, mechanical manufacturing units, chemical manufacturing plants, railways, aerospace, oil exploration, research and development, etc., etc. And currently, We are in our institute also, we also are conducting the drives of 4 mechanical companies like Bharat Forge, Sandwich India Limited, etc. And finally, I welcome all newly joined students once again, and I assure you that you will get a more than you expected from my energetic and dedicated faculty. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and for lifting our spirits. Being an inductee is a different and exceptional feeling with lots of questions, excitement, and enthusiasm. And the most exciting one is getting to visit and study and enjoy in a dream college. And for sure, getting a dream college like JSPM Imperial College of Engineering and Research surely fills one with plethora and excitement. You all must be very excited to visit the college and the campus. So why let the barrier stop us from having our fun? Let's get you through the campus premise, college and everything through a video clip specially made by our senior colleagues for you.
Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Ganesh to continue the program further.
धन्यवाद हर्षल. तर मित्रांनो, या करोनाच्या काळामध्ये घडीच्या काट्यावर चालणारा आपला भारत देश जणू थांबला गेला होता. या काळामध्ये पोलीस आणि आरोग्य कर्मचारी यांनी आपली जीवाची पर्वा न करता अतोनात प्रयत्नांनी लोकांचा जीव वाचवत होते. त्यांचे तर आपण धन्यवाद केलेच आहे. आता वेळ आहे आणखी एका सुपर हिरोला धन्यवाद करण्याची. ते आहेत आपले शिक्षक. या काळामध्ये शिक्षकांनी सुद्धा घरोघरी जाऊन आरोग्य सर्वे सारखी कठीण कामे केली आणि त्यासोबतच स्वतःची जबाबदारी निभावली, म्हणजेच ऑनलाईन टीचिंग मेथड सुरू केली. त्यांच्या या प्रयत्नाला आमचा सलाम. त्यांचे धन्यवाद देण्यासाठी आम्ही आता एक व्हिडिओ सादर करत आहोत. व्हिडिओचे नाव आहे ओ दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
हर किसी की जिंदगी का एक इनक्रेडिबल पहलू आता है कॉलेज लाइफ. हम सबकी लाइफ का भी एक अपना इंपीरियल कॉलेज, वो प्यारा ऑसम कैंपस, वो इंटेलेक्चुअल पीपल, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. सुबह सुबह का पहला लेक्चर, सुबह सुबह का इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट, हर दिन नया कुछ सीखने की कोशिश, हर दिन के कोई ना कोई इंटरेस्टिंग प्रैक्टिकल्स, हर दिन के नए डाउट क्लियर करके आगे बढ़ने की इच्छा, वो रियल लाइफ में एक्टिविटीज करने का मजा, दोस्तों और टीचर्स के साथ मिलकर प्लानिंग करने के तरीके, सब कुछ मिस करते हैं हम. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. क्लीनिंग एक्टिविटीज से लेकर प्लांटिंग तक, प्लानिंग से लेकर प्लॉटिंग तक, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. सबके साथ कैंपस में घूमना भी बड़ा मजेदार था. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
फिर आया कोविड-19 जिसने हम सब की लाइफ को एक ब्रेक मार दिया. ऑफिस से लेकर स्कूल कॉलेज तक सब बंद हो गया. देश फाइनेंशियली रुक गया और इस वायरस के एंटीवायरस की खोज अभी तक जारी है. फिर हर चीज़ ऑनलाइन होने लगी, चाहे कुछ खरीदना हो या कुछ सीखना हो. डॉक्टर्स और पुलिस हर घड़ी इस देश को सुरक्षित रखने की कोशिश में भगवान के समान लग रहे थे. एजुकेशन पूरी तरह रुका था, तभी टीचर्स ने इनिशिएटिव लेकर सिखाना चालू किया। हमारे टीचर्स जो चौक एंड बोर्ड लेके पढ़ाते थे, उन्होंने अपनी पूरी 100% देकर ऑनलाइन सिखा सके ऐसी कोशिशें की। हालांकि कभी कभी नेटवर्क साथ नहीं देता था, फिर भी उनकी कोशिशें डटी रही। इसलिए आप सारे टीचर्स का दिल से शुक्रिया।
Now,
That
I
was
would
really
Sidhu sir to present a brief about iCore's mechanical department to our new students and get them familiar with the culture of our college.
Thank you, Madhu sir. Respected principal sir, HOD sir, my dear faculty members, and my dear all students. So today I took this opportunity to elaborate our department. So we are having covered within all angles. So for that, I'll share a screen. So with help of an PPT, we will go through what activity we are conducting, how our department is unique compared to other department in the SPPU. So just we will have a look of with an PPT. So I will share the screen now. Nikhil, is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
So thank you. So first of all, welcome you all for your dreamed college and department. So first of all, I start with this session. Our college is accredited with an NAC A grade. So it will be very helpful because once you passed out from this college, you will get a remark of you are passed out from a college having NAC A grade. So if you're talking about our department, you all are visited our department during this confirmation period, reporting period to the college. You already have seen our campus, how greenery it is, how well equipped it is, how the infrastructure will be. So you people already seen that. Then also I have some highlights about this. Our college is established in 2006. This Imperial College, it's one of the old college, reputed college. So you got admitted here. It is established in 2006. Our college campus total is a 60-acre campus of Wagholi. So to impact high quality education training to create and develop technical and business leader who strive to improve the quality life. The main intention of our college and the department to prepare a skilled engineers, and that engineers should be helpful for our nation because our country is a still developing country, underdeveloping country. So that's what more engineers are required. Our more intention to provide a very skilled engineers to a new market. So if you're talking about this main vision, as I already started with that only, the vision of our department is to satisfy the aspiration of youth force who wants to lead nation towards prosperity through techno-economic development. This is our main vision. The meaning of this is we are providing such a technical person, we are making such a good technical engineers that definitely lead our nation, because as we know, the legend Dr. Abdul Kalam sir had, India will become a powerful country because only youth force. So our main vision is that we need to create such a youth, such a technical youth that should be very helpful for our nation to go our country in a higher extent. To achieve this vision, so in your life also people should keep a vision. To achieve that vision, we need to follow some steps that are called a mission. So what are the mission of our department is to provide a nature maintained an environment of high academic excellence. The main strong point of our department is to give a good academic cultures to the student, research culture, as well as entrepreneurship. So the word I am using as entrepreneurship, because you are a mechanical engineer, you are having a n number of directions. You are having a government jobs, you are having software field open for you, and also you can become an entrepreneur. You can open your own industry, because in the mechanical field we are having a vast opened market. That's what you can open your companies also, so you can become an entrepreneur also. which will prepare them to face global challenges, maintaining high ethical and moral standards. So this, if we gone through these steps, mean definitely we achieve our vision, and that definitely increase our ethical and moral standard. That will very helpful for our nation. So my dear students, these are our vision and mission of our department. So, particularly if we're talking about our department, it's one of the, I'm very proudly tell, it's one of the biggest department of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Why I'm quoting this word? So just you can observe the screen, the Department of Mechanical Engineering is one of the last department in the College of Engineering at SPPU. Why I'm quoting this again and again? Because every year we are enrolling 1100 students. Every year we are enrolling 1100 students for undergraduate, 24 students for postgraduate. My dear student, just check the count, it is 1100. It indicates one of the big department in the SPPU. So it's very proud to tell. It's very proud to tell this is a very big department because you are also a part of this. So that's what we are very proud to tell. It's one of the big department. So also we are running with a postgraduate students. So total intake of postgraduate will be the 24. So
Hello.
I introduce our honorable principal sir, Dr. R.S. Deshpande sir. So principal JSPM Impel College of Engineering and Research, Wagholi. So Professor N.S. Biradar is head of department. So already sir had a talk with you also. So again, I'm very proud to tell that we are having total 38 teaching faculties. It indicates it's one of the big department because we are running with 38 teaching qualified faculties along with 7 lab assistants and 4 peons. So if you're talking about our teaching faculty, we are having a very senior member in the department. As in the vision only I told, a mission in the told, we are giving a research background to the student because we are having a good number of professors here. That with indicates 3, and we are having associate professor with 4 and assistant professors are 31. My dear student, it indicates a well qualified department we are running. Definitely you will get a good knowledge from these active personalities. So if you're talking about the experience of these faculty, it is a near to 7 years. So if you're talking about a lab assistant, it is almost above 3 years. And if you're talking about lab instructors, it is also about 3 years. It indicates that definitely you people will get a very good technical knowledge here. So if you we use the word called a research for research. How we are telling faithfully we are getting a very good research to the student because so our faculty students are achieved a very good publications. If you're talking about a publication, it indicates it involves national journals, international journals, books, and these total numbers. I'm proudly tell our faculties wrote more than 100 books. Our faculties published a national and international journal also. And you are the newcomers, definitely you will get this research background from these experienced faculties. So if people already see in a campus, our campus is fully with aesthetically planned, ergonomically designed, eco-friendly campus. People already observed. So we are having a very good green campus. So if you're talking about ergonomically designed infrastructure, because only we are having a 15 classrooms, but for each year you will get a separate classroom for your division, and we are having a 19 laboratories. See, that's what it indicates, one of the biggest department of the SPPU. We have one big seminar hall. We have a separate common room for girls and boys also, and we have 4 computer centers. So you can go and elaborate your research over there. And all labs are well equipped. I want to tell proudly, a few colleges are having a unique equipments like power plant. It's a very huge cost. Then only our college provided to you student, you can definitely get a knowledge from that. So if you are searching in the SPPU, few colleges having this power plant engineering. One more word I am using, FFT analyzer. This is also available in our college, because we can go for a vibration analysis. So all equipments are running with a good conditions. Definitely you can make use of this. If you're talking about library, if people did a admission process in library only, it is very good with a good number of books. Near to 5,000 titles of books are available. Not only physical thing, we can access a digital library also. Once you enter the college, you will get a user ID and password. Once you enter the college, you'll get a user ID and password. From that, you can access digital library also. So as we know, as I mentioned, we are having total 19 libraries, so 19 laboratories. Just we will have a look of that. So just to elaborate, first lab, that is called ATD. You people already aware in the diploma. ATD indicates Applied Thermodynamics Lab. This picture shows you how the lab will be. And this will be the CAD lab. Total we have 4 CAD labs. The separate CAD labs we are having for each year. And next lab will be FM, Fluid Machinery Labs. And the next will be the HT lab. HT means Heat Transfer Laboratory. So if you're talking about IC engine lab, that is internal combustion lab, we are having engines with different specifications. We are having total 4 engines. Next, TOM lab. TOM is nothing but theory of machinery. And this is one of the biggest workshop we have in our college. And this I told, this I'm repeatedly telling, power plant engineering. You can generate electricity over here. So among the few college, one is our college is equipped with this power plant. So this is, we are talking about how this indicates how our department is strong within academics. Definitely for DSC is concerned, direct second year student is concerned, we are conducting separate academic to fulfill your required academic to appear the exam. So it indicates we are running with a very strong academics. Apart from this academics, we are having a different activities also. Like we are running with technical, we are running with cultural. So these activities we are conduct under a separate thing is called MESA. You people already heard in the diploma also. The MESA indicates Mechanical Engineering Student Association. Each and every student of mechanical department is a part of this MESA. In this MESA, guys, we are going for sports, we are going for cynosure. Cynosure word, this indicates we given a name for a technical events. Different colleges students are coming here and they are doing a competition, this technical competition, and they are awarded with a good prize. And you are also participate in that. Definitely will get a good prize, and that will helpful for your upcoming future, that is upcoming placements also. And we are separately conducting a project exhibitions. And one more thing, I specify a word here, our department is running with a different clubs. In that we have software club, automation club, energy club, German language club, spoken English club, and aptitude courses and all. Guys, this club indicates, let us assume, if you are having an interest in software, you need to join the software club. Particular training is given to that club student only. Particular competitions are conducted, and particular company will come and to place the student from that particular clubs only. So this is the one of the unique of our department. This indicates that, so how we are unique from other college? Because finally, once we have the knowledge, then only we will get the place, then only we can place in the good company, then only we can grow in our life. Just making a time pass, just we are passing, we are having a certificate, that is not enough for us. We need to show some unique thing, then only we will get a value in the market. So you all are welcome for the MESA. Definitely what your seniors are made a remark here, that under that you people need to work, and make our department more success and success. This I want to show some glimpses of our activities under the Mesa. We are conducting a Ganesh festival. So you can see here, freshers party for you people also. Due to this pandemic, physically we not started. Due to this pandemic, physically it is not possible. But once you came to college, we definitely conduct a fresher party. If you're talking about the sport, this pic indicates. So this is a kabaddi competition. We have cricket competitions also. So division wise, we are making a teams and we are conducting IPL here, Imperial Premier League. So this we can tell, we can enjoy these things on low. And see this pic, guys. We had a last year cultural gathering. It is. The gathering name is Cresta 2020. The Cresta is nothing but our cultural gathering. This is the main core team of last Cresta. So this pic definitely grab you how the students are involving here in extracurricular activities also. They made such a wonderful program. It is like directed by a great director. So definitely this platform is giving to you also, guys. Just you should show your energy. Definitely you people will make more a success of this. So moving forward, this pic, just I am showing a 3 to 4 pics that show you how our department is unique. This is our student. I made a drama that is called Tanaji in our Cresta. This pic shows how cosmetically perfect here. So this is the one of the good pic indicates how the cultural activity is going on in our college, in our department. So welcome you all, guys, for these cultural events also. This is Dhol Tasha we are conducting in the Ganesh festival. Just see the crowd, how our students are enjoying. So you are a part of this crowd also. So every year Ganesh festival we are celebrating in a such a way. So not only the cultural, if you're talking about technical things, being an engineer, you should perfect for a technical. We are conducting lathe war. We are having a competition. You can see in this pic. We have a robo race. Almost all college from the Pune University are visiting here. So along with first what I used a research. So we are conducting paper presentation also. And then we are having CAD war also, making the models. Time being is given. Within that, who made best model, that will be get awarded. So this is the unique highlight of our department in all aspects. Research, curricular, extracurricular, and technical activities also. We are perfect with all aspects. So moving on to some unique things again. We are calling an expert to our college to clear your doubt, difficult subject like strength of materials, heat transfer, so dynamics of machinery. So for such a difficult subject, we are calling an expert from other colleges, from an industry also. We are organizing some industrial visits to clear your doubts. We are organizing STTP and we are organizing some seminar also. We'll have a look of that glimpses also here. So this is a guest lecture of strength of material. We conducted in our seminar hall. See guys, almost 400 plus students have participated. This indicates how the students currently working toward the guest lecture. And this is a CAE training. So our department is working, separate training is given to the student. If you are perfect in that, we are calling a companies here and you are get placed to that particular company. This pandemic also, I'm proud to tell our students are placed in TCS, Bharat Forge, Desai Electronics. So this is our a proud moment because in pandemic also our placement officer is worked hard, department is worked hard, they are going for the placing also. And this pic indicates PLC SCADA training also. So I use the word called industrial visit. These are the pics of that you can see. This is the industrial visit. So in a second year, you called a subject IC engine. So need to see a different engines. So we visited the science parks also. You can elaborate the engines over there. And this is the sugar factories. So we seen heat recovery system in the power plant. So this pic indicates that, and this will be the guest lectures. So after observing this, definitely our department got a very good output. We are organizing a lot of guest lectures over here. And now come to the point, the interaction between faculty, students, parents, and the higher authorities. In that we have a strong basic here, a strong basement here. First of all, HOD sir will interact directly with all the students. Just imagine guys, the head of the department is interacting with you, all your problems and required thing to make our department success and success. And we have a strong background called GFM activity. You will get a particular faculty member to you to take care of you in such a way how your parents are caring you. And each and every faculty are running with a very friendly nature. So definitely you'll get a very good platform here. So we are calling a parent meet also. So we are got our HOD sir and honorable principal sir and director sir also interacting with your parents also regarding a basic required thing to achieve, to make a department as success. We are doing an alumni meet, passed out student help we are taking to make your to increase your placements also. We have a separate cell called human grievance cell. A separate priority is given to girls also to take care of them. So guys, just see how we are running with unique overall in the SPPU. So we can tell that's what it's one of the best department and the best college in the SPPU. So not only that, we did some tie-up with the companies also. Auto cluster, we did a tie-up. The people will come here, train you, and that will helpful for your placement. And we have a tie-up with Bhairano Sugar Works industry, also as in within CAT Center. This fig shows how our higher authority is working hard to increase placement day by day. So now it is a moment. So how unique we are again. So I use the word called power plant engineering. So in the SPPU, few colleges had this. One of the college will be ours. So to this college, n numbers of colleges are visiting to conducting the practical. Clear? This power plant having 3 kilowatt of power. So as I already told, n number of colleges are visiting to this. This pic will indicates that. So n number of colleges, even Dhole Patil, DY Patil, government Avsari college are visiting, AIT is visiting. So this indicates the consultancy. So we are earning the money. So that money is useful for your wellness, for your supporting to your placement, to increasing your activity, increasing your guest lecture. See guys, how our faculty and the department and the college is working for you all. And this activity indicates that training and placement activities, we are conducting separate sessions, we are conducting soft skills, we are calling it different trainers, we are making fine you finally. And once you represent our college in front of the company, definitely they will become happy and definitely they will offer you in a good company. So not only this, if you're talking about the placement, see how the placement goes on increases. So we are reached up to the mark of 87% of achievement for the placement is concerned. If you are having a 60% in the academic career, definitely you will get a good company as your placement. So that's what my request is, that keep your percentage more than 60%, then only you are eligible for n number of companies. Our students are also opened their own companies. They become an entrepreneur. We can tell that also proudly. This graph indicates that. So our students are achieved a good rankers, prizes in different competition also. One of that I want to mention here, students from our department participated in go-kart competition held at Bangalore in 2016. See, our vehicle gone there and they participated. They got first prize, guys. Please see the thing. They got first prize for best fuel economy. This remark your senior has created here. And now it is your time. Work more hard and achieve these goals. So this pic indicates that achievements we awarded with a first prize in best fuel economy. This is our students, how they are working hard for the go-kart. And one more thing, our student is there current, he won 2 gold medals, 2 silver medal in swimming competition organized by ASSMS College. Similarly, one more student, first prize at Varmata Jizabai Technology Institute, Mumbai, hydraulic crane event owned by Amaganda team of TMEC. See, our TE students are going to Mumbai, going to Delhi, going to Bangalore, and they are taking the first and second prizes. It's a very proud word to tell. Second prize at Virama Jizabai Technology Institute of Mumbai, hydraulic crane. Same, first and second prize grabbed by our student, guys. This platform is open for you, and now your time to work. So after this, so if you're talking about our academic thing, our students are achieved a very good result. So if you see a passing ratio, we have most 97% of result we achieved, guys. This graph shows our passing result of the BE student. So not only we are lagging in the academic also, we are doing curricular, extracurricular, and we are excellent in the academic also. So that's what we will tell. It's a very proud moment, a proud department among the SPPU. Now, some of the college logos some of the placement logos I'm highlighting here. These are the company commonly visiting to our college. That is Bosch, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Consultancy, Atlas Copco, IBM, so on. N number of companies are coming here. Recently, we had a Bharat Forge. Almost 12 students are placed over there. And in TCS also, mechanical students are going to be placed. And one students are already placed in the last week. So this peak indicates how our students are achieved. Our students are placed with 3.4 lakh per annum package. These are from a mechanical background. So the higher authority day by day congratulating them, because this definitely in future, this path will be yours. And this is one more thing. See here, our students are placed within 7.2 lakh per annum. So this is a mechanical background. Just see here, Aisha Muzawar from mechanical background. She's placed in a software also. It is not like that. So mechanical students go anywhere. And our one more students are placed in high-fab engineers also with a package of 4.2. Just few glimpses I'm showing you. So one more, our students are placed in Talentio also with an 18 lakh in 3 jumps, guys. Just see the word 18 lakh in 3 jumps. Clear. This is a very proud moment in terms of the placement. This is also indicates how our placements are going on. So our principal sir, our training and placement sir, HOD sir, all faculties are working very hard to place you all, guys. And we are having some tie-up with the companies also. That is also going by. This glimpse indicates that. So this is my final size guide. Finally, I want to quote you. See, this is a very good department, a good college in the SPPU. Definitely waiting for you. People sir already took the admission. Once physically start, we are starting the clubs. We are having very good support from our honorable principal sir, HOD sir, and our all the higher authorities. So that's what welcome you all once again for this beautiful good academic department, good placement department. So anyhow, I'm very much thankful to our honorable director, principal sir, and HOD sir for giving this opportunity to elaborate our department in all angles. Thank you so much, and hand over mic to the anchors. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sidhu sir, for your briefing. I hope all our new inductees have got familiar with our college and the culture and tradition which we follow in our I-Corps. Now, I would like to introduce, in the difficult time of COVID-19 pandemic, when everyone in the college faced problem, there was a personality who didn't lose hope and was ready and faced every situation boldly, not only from letting the academics of student not hamper to helping the faculty members get through this tough time and all the related members and college campus. He was there for everyone. Can you guess who's he? Yes, it's our beloved and respected principal sir of JSPM's I-Corps, Dr. Raj Deshpande sir. From interacting to students to helping them in academics, getting in touch with parents and conducting meeting with teachers. He did everything and made our hard times easy. Thank you so much for everything, sir. And now I would request our principal sir to guide our new students in the beginning of their new journey of college life and inspire them.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why I'm not able to see my video?
It's visible, sir. It's visible.
Hello. make my video
Yes,
on.
sir. Yes, sir. Your video, you are visible, sir. Please
Okay.
continue, sir.
So, very good morning to all the students who have taken admission to the direct second year mechanical engineering in our JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, Wagholi. So, my dear students, first of all, I would like to congratulate you all because for two things. First is you have completed your diploma. You got very good marks in the diploma college, and now your next journey to the engineering has started. So, first thing is we have to appreciate and we have to congratulate yourself because your study of online education or completing your urge for the education, you have not stopped it, you are going to complete it. So that's why the first credit goes to you for that purpose. Secondly, I would like to congratulate you because of the selection of the college. Once you have decided, yes, I want to take admission into and I want to continue my engineering, then from the many different colleges may be available in Pune or in Maharashtra, you have decided to select Imperial College as your destination for completion of your degree. So that's why we are also very thankful to you for that. And I would also like to congratulate you because you have selected the most proper and the appropriate college for completion of your degree. Let me tell you, the JSPM is the biggest educational group in Pune, also in Maharashtra, and we have 8 engineering colleges, management colleges, pharmacy colleges, junior colleges, senior colleges, many schools, many research centers. And so this is a totally experienced body. As you might be knowing, Dr. and Professor T.J. Sawant is the founder secretary of JSPM Group, basically who is a gold medalist in electrical engineering. That point is to be noted. And such a educationally, such an engineer has been taking initiative efforts to educate the people like you which are in the rural area, and that's why many sincere thanks goes to our founder secretary Dr. TJ Sawant sir. And based on his knowledge, experience and all these things, the directors body of JSPM, who is always and constantly guiding us and taking us on the path of the excellence. That's why you are now a part of JSPM family Imperial Group. So I'm extending a very warm welcome to you. I have congratulated you for the two things, and I have also expressed the thanks for the faith, confidence that you have shown in us. Now, let me tell you that mechanical engineering is the evergreen branch because if you look around, we'll find that mechanical engineering is everywhere, starting from your pump, which pumps the water on the building, then your, computer has also mechanical engineering. I will tell you how it is there. Next thing is automobile engineering. All of you are very much interested in bikes, cars, and so on. So this engineering which is used in automobiles, even aircrafts, tanks, fighter planes, everything is mechanical engineering. So the market of automobiles, even bikes, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, has been increased tremendously in the lockdown period. I want to tell you that. And naturally, your interest is in the bike, how bike working, different types of models are there. You might be knowing more than me also. So you will find the ample opportunities in the automobiles. Then in and around Pune city, you find a lot of MIDCs, Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. And there are many industries which are mechanically oriented or whose production is related with the mechanical engineering. Take the example of Bharat Forge Limited, Kalyani Forge, Sandvik, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, many things to explain about you. So you got an ample opportunity. So first thing, when in this our program, you must be confident as we say normally that you have completed diploma, so you have become half an engineer. You are already engineer. Now we are going to give you a finishing touch, and you are going to become a full engineer. That means what we are going to do, that we are going to polish the skill sets, qualities in you, and we are going to make you industry ready. Those who are already serving in the industry, they will get the maximum benefit by completing your BE degree. Okay. So these are the conventional fields, what I told you. Okay. But there are also some non-conventional and some interdisciplinary and coming of field technology where mechanical engineering can apply their brain. And there are ample chances for you to get a good, attractive package job. For example, we'll find that we are also going initiative on our basis. First thing is we have artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, deep learning. So these are the some of the fields that you must conquer now. You must acquire efficiency in this. We are going to start the classes for this. Mechatronics also. So if you try to gain the knowledge, not only theoretical but practical also, then you will get a dream job, whatever you have designed in your dream. So I would like to give you some tips also. The first thing is that you respect your teachers. I must tell you that mechanical engineering is the biggest department in the University of Pune, and it is blessed by many experienced and educated faculties. If you see in your department, you'll find Professor Birajdar is head of the department. He has a wide experience in this field, followed by Dr. Sarjay sir, Dr. Sarang Joshi sir, Dr. Shende sir, Dr. Borse sir. So to name this doctorate, these are available to you and to give you the services and to guide you in this regard. Then apart from this, we have many senior faculty members in the department, many faculty members who have experienced more than 10 years. So you first feel very proud that the mechanical engineering department of the Imperial College is one of the best department where the best faculty of the Savitribai Phule Pune University is there. And now it is up to you how you get benefit, you get advantage from it. So my first tip to you is that respect your teachers, try to gain the maximum knowledge from them and utilize that knowledge for the practical purpose. The second tip I want to give you, passing examination and getting marks is the most simplest job for an engineer. Engineer is not meant for that, but he is meant for creative thinking, original thinking, finding out solutions to the real problems. So for example, if you design some technology which will minimize pollution, which will increase average, then you will get a demand in the mechanical engineering fertility. Only being a mechanical engineering should not be your aim, but to think that what I can add to this, how my knowledge I can participate, and how I can think out of the box. So this is the practice. This is a habit. It doesn't come in one day. But for that purpose, you need a vision to look around whatever is happening and thinking on that events, on that incidents from mechanical points of view. For example, as a matter of curiosity, you must have interest in which are the latest two-wheeler in the market. Okay. For example, I just have X blade. So I compared this X blade and I asked one mechanical engineer, I want to purchase a bike, which I should purchase. So he or she should not say, sir, X blade is not included in our syllabus and I cannot comment on this. This is a very foolish answer to that question. So what you said, okay, sir, I will study all the bikes which are available in the market. So we have given this project to our students. The students went to the different bike shops. Okay. They studied the bike, they have taken the ride, they have compared the technical specifications, and they have also given the presentations. So you have to work where your interest lies. Four-wheelers also is of your interest. Nowadays, there are electric cars, electric vehicles. Okay. So whatever you are learning conventionally in the syllabus as the basic things, that is fundamental, that you must have. But apart from that, which is the latest bike in the market, which is the latest four-wheeler in the market, what is the difference in Ferrari and Mercedes-Benz? Okay, the third tip I want to give you, that you have to dream that after 3 years, what will be your position and in which company. You have to dream and you have to write down your dream on the page of paper. Okay. For example, one of you may write, sir, after 3 years, after completion of my BE, I will give the interview and I want to be a training engineer in the Mercedes-Benz. After more 2 years, I want to be the manager of the production in the Mercedes-Benz. I want to work in Mahindra and Mahindra. I want to work in the Lamborghini, Ferrari. So what Sachin Tendulkar says that if you are not dreaming, if you are not thinking, then you are doing a crime against your life. The God has given this beautiful mind, this beautiful body. For what purpose? To make our life successful and the life of others also successful. So write down your dream and every day see that page, see that paper, introspect yourself that in order to achieve this dream, what I have to do, how I have to equip myself, which qualities I should have, which tools I should indicate, which technology club I should join, every day what I should learn, and see that you will be in the Mercedes-Benz or Mahindra and Mahindra after completion of 3 years. You'll say, sir, is it possible? Then I'll say, yes, why not? It is definitely possible. If you follow our guidelines, our training schedules, then you will get certainly a job. Many times people ask, sir, will I get a job after mechanical engineering? I have given them a formula. You also remember it. The formula is like this. You do the machine learning course in the repeated organization, do the German language course, you will get a job in Germany. So machine learning certification plus German language certification is equal to job in Germany. Write down on your, take a page of paper and you should write down there. These are my words. I'm going to give you the guarantee about that. So the dreaming is the third point I have told you, that you should do these things. Fourth point I would like to tell you that you should not forget your parents because they have much more expectations from you. They have done your diploma, they have spent a lot of money. I know that you are from a rural background, a very poor background. You might be knowing what efforts your fathers and mothers are taking for you. So you must appreciate them. They are expecting that my son, my daughter will get a good job and he or she will be placed in a good company, and your parents can say very proudly, yes, my son is so and so CEO or so and so at this and this place. So these are the things just I want to tell you. I will be communicating with you many times, okay, frequently, okay, and I will be talking with you. I will be talking with your teachers. But I will say you are the most luckiest person who have got admission here. Now it is up to you how you can take this opportunity in your hand and convert it into the golden opportunity. Whatever your difficulties are there, maybe economical difficulties, maybe academic difficulties, maybe relationship difficulties, you can discuss very frankly with your guardian, local guardian, that as the sir has just now told you is a GFM. So this is a very unique system we have implemented in GFM, that each and every care will be taken for the students, and he will be, and his each and every problem will be solved. Just you have to open up yourself and you have to contact with this thing. Suggestions for improvement, for development from your side are always welcome. Be in contact with your head of the department, Birajdar sir, and all the senior staff, and see that how you can make your life most successful, most beautiful, and most enjoyable as a mechanical engineer. So all the best wishes to you, and our journey, we are with you, will be most successful and most beautiful hereafter. So thank you very much to all of you, and welcome and congratulate to all of you once again. Thank you very much.
थँक्यू सर. तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या सगळ्याच्या जीवनाबद्दलचा आणि जगाबद्दलचा अनुभव हा वेगळा असतो. असाच एक अनुभव माझ्या मित्राने कवितेमध्ये साकारला आहे. तो अनुभव आपण ऐकूया.
मुस्कुराइए क्योंकि आपके पास वजह लाख है। हो सकता है आपके पास लोग बहुत खास है। मुस्कुराइए क्योंकि आपके पास वजह लाख है। हो सकता है आपके पास लोग बहुत खास है, लेकिन नहीं खुशनसीब सब इतने। रात में खाने में रोटी बस एक है, पर उसके टुकड़े कितने। अरमान तो आपके पूरे होते होंगे साहब, अरमान तो आपके पूरे होते होंगे साहब। इस गरीब के तो सारे सपने भी है खाक। अब बचा भी क्या जो संभाल के रखे, घरों में तो बस बची है राख। फिर भी मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे लेकर निकल पड़ते हैं इन चौराहों पर। कभी फूल बेच दिए, कभी जूते ही किए साफ, कभी गाड़ियों के शीशे ही चमका दिए। चाहे पैसों से गरीब हो, लेकिन दिल से ये कुबेर है। चाहे पैसों से गरीब हो, लेकिन दिल से ये कुबेर है। चाहे दिखते हो मैले, फटे पुराने कपड़ों में, लेकिन इनकी नीयत साफ है। अब तो मुस्कुरा दीजिए साहब, क्योंकि आपके पास वजह लाख है। शायद आपकी तकदीर किसी और से ज्यादा खास है। मुस्कुराइए क्योंकि आपके पास वजह लाख है। हो सकता है आपके पास लोग बहुत खास है। Be grateful for what you have, friends, and pray for those whose lives are made hell by the worst pandemic of this disease. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshal, for the beautiful words. Now, seeing you guys getting to start your new exciting journeys, it indeed brings up some strong and beautiful emotions up for us seniors. It's been near about a year that we have been away from the place that has given us so much. But, not just emotions. We have had our fun. We created a lot of stories, lots and lots of memories. We lived the brightest days of life here. Now we pass the baton to you. Hopefully you will all live up to the legacy of ICOR. I wish you all hopefully enjoy and achieve and make most beautiful memories and live your life to the fullest. For us seniors, it's definitely an emotional moment. Let's take a walk down the memory lane through a small play.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की कर थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Now, I would like to call Adityan Ravid to give vote of thanks.
A very good morning to one and all present here. As all good things come to an end in life, so is the program. On behalf of JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, I, Adityan Dravid, take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this wonderful program on induction program for our freshers, organized by our Mechanical Engineering Department and MESA team. At the outset, I thank our director sir, principal sir, head of department, teachers, guests, and our freshers for their presence to this program. Also, I would like to thank the organizing committee MESA for their unflinching support and coordination. With these warm words and best wishes to all the freshers, we move towards the end of this program. Thank you.
So thank you to all. HOD sir, can we conclude?